The Lusha extension is how you reveal contact details directly from everywhere you go. LinkedIn, SalesNav, company websites, and your CRM, without leaving the page. To install it, head to the Chrome Web Store or the Microsoft Edge add-on store and search for Lusha extension. Click Add to Chrome or Get if you're on Edge, then confirm. You'll land on LinkedIn automatically. Now log into your Lusha account. Go to any LinkedIn profile, search results page, or company page, and click the Lusha icon on the right side of the screen. That opens the extension panel where you'll see contact and company details, and a job change indicator if someone's recently switched roles. From here, you can save a contact to a table, export them straight to your connected CRM, or add them to a sequence. The extension works the same way inside Salesforce, HubSpot, and Pipedrive, so you can enrich contacts without leaving your CRM either. You can also search directly from the panel, review everything you've saved under Activity, and adjust preferences under More, things like extension position or auto open. One setting worth calling out, Lusha Everywhere, which lets the extension work on any B2B site, not just LinkedIn. It's off by default, so if you want that coverage, go to Preferences under More and turn it on. Otherwise, the extension will only activate on LinkedIn. That's the fastest path from LinkedIn to a phone number.